Hey, Damien Rance here with Endeavour Capital. Wanted to show you a before and after of some of the renovations that we do on our assets. This is one of our properties in Columbia, South Carolina. You'll see we're in the midst of doing the renovations on this property. The kitchen is outdated. We've ripped up the flooring. So like I said, we are in the midst of doing the renovation of this property. You see the bathroom here, very standard and outdated. Now, in this next clip, you'll see a renovated unit in the same community. We've updated the painting, flooring, light fixtures, and as we head into the kitchen, you'll see we try and recycle and keep as many cabinets as we can if they're in good shape and just paint them. We've also updated the countertops and some stainless steel appliances. Just to the right that I passed, there is washer and dryer hookups there for our tenants. If they do decide to bring in their own washer and dryer, we like to give people the option of that. And then lastly, we're gonna head into the bathroom here. Very nice, clean finishes, new tub and toilet as well. So that's a little bit about what we do, a bit of a before and after.